Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can start dropshipping on eBay from Amazon. Now this is going to be a step-based video. I'm going to be showing you my experience, okay, things you should avoid and things you should do for like if you want to dropship from Amazon to eBay. Okay, so first I'm also going to show you guys how you can find winning products on Amazon so that you can like import these products to your eBay store. That's the most important part of this video, is to learn how you can find winning products. Now I saw a lot of new sellers on eBay. They just go to Amazon and find any products, okay? They don't even do the product research, just find any product. Okay, it has a lot of sales on Amazon, so that's a good product. We have to like import that product to our eBay, and that's a huge mistake. Like if you don't do the product research, you can like import thousands of items to your eBay, and you will not get sales. Like I have saw a lot of stores on eBay that have I would say 1000 items, like they imported 1000 products to their like eBay store, but the sales are crazy. Like the sales are like one sale per day. It's crazy. I should expect to make $3,000 in sales if I just import 100 products to my eBay store. Okay, that's exactly the number. Okay, so as you can see, first, of course, let's assume you already added your bank account to like eBay. I'm not going to show you that, guys. Probably you already did that, or if you live outside of the United States, you will have to connect your Payoneer to eBay. As you can see, like eBay, they don't use PayPal anymore, so that you can receive your payments through Payoneer. Or if you live in the United States, you can also add your bank account here, the like account number, like the routing number. But that's not today's video. I know, guys, you already did that just because you are searching specifically about how you can dropship from Amazon to eBay. That means you already dropshipped from other e-commerce with like other suppliers or retail, or like you already did dropshipping from others like suppliers on AliExpress, for example. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, is to find winning products. How you can do that? Okay, you want to go to Amazon. You want to search for example, whatever you want to import to your eBay. So for example, this product, as you can see, this chair. Okay, I'm going to click on it. As you can see, it has like 36 ratings, so people really love this product on Amazon. A lot of people are interested in this product on Amazon. So should I list it or should I import this product to my eBay? The answer is no. Why? Because we don't know if like eBay's buyers are going to be interested in this product. You can just use luck for this, okay? Because you don't have time. You are not going to list all products for Amazon so that you can see which one works, which one doesn't work. So you will have to learn. You will have to learn from other people, okay? You will have to see if people are selling this product on eBay or not. If they are selling this product on eBay, then I'm going to list this exact product because people are interested in this product on eBay. And also the title, like I said, you need to copy the title of eBay seller, not Amazon, okay? Because people are searching differently on these platforms. Like for example, people that search on Amazon, they are going to be different from people that are going to search on eBay, okay? That's just the truth, okay? People are like different, okay? People that buy from Amazon and eBay are different, so they search for different things, different keywords. So I'm going to show you guys what I mean exactly. Now this is going to be a little bit harder, especially if you are like a beginner or like if you are just starting dropshipping. Okay, so what you are going to do, you want to copy the title on Amazon, okay? You want to go to eBay and search for it. Okay, so this is really the most important part of this video, is to find people that are doing dropshipping from Amazon. That's really a huge thing to do. Okay, so it seems like it's the same product. This guy is selling it on Amazon for $76, and as you can see on eBay it's $120. As you can see, this guy is doing dropshipping from Amazon to eBay. So first we found someone who is doing dropshipping, and that's what we want. We want to copy the dropshippers that are doing dropshipping from Amazon. Okay, why? Because we are going to learn from them. Probably they have listed a lot of products, but we are only going to copy products that are proven to work, that got some sales. Now, my strategy is I always go with 3 sales in the last month. Okay, 3 sales in the last month. That's my strategy. If the product on eBay has 3 sales, I'm going to import that exact same product. Of course, I'm going to download the images from Amazon, but the only thing that I'm going to copy from from the seller on eBay is the title. Why? Because it's proven to work. This title, people are searching for this title on eBay, but not now. Why? Because this product doesn't have any sales, so I'm not going to even think about it. Okay, I'm not going to list this product, because if I list it, I'm just going to get the exact same results, which is 0 sales. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this case, I'm going to check if this guy is selling something else for Amazon, because this product is from Amazon. Of course, this is the exact same product. That means all the products from his store are from Amazon. So what we are going to do, guys, is we are going to check his eBay store. We just click on the store name in the top, in like in the middle here, and you want to scroll down a little bit. Okay, you want to just scroll down and click on see all. Okay, so after, guys, you click on see all, as you can see, all the products, guys, are from Amazon. Okay, as you can see, this guy is dropshipping from Amazon to eBay. So how we can now successful listing, how we can see successful listings, so that we can copy these listings. What you guys need to do, you want to click here on sold items, okay, in the left. Now eBay will show you now all the items that are successful, that got some sales, okay, if that makes sense. Now, as you can see, Christmas, as you can see, guys, I really recommend you guys start like selling Christmas products, okay, because you know it's the time. So I'm going to click, for example, on this product. As you can see, this is what I'm looking for, 3 sales. Okay, so this guy got 3 sales on this product. That means people are interested in this product on eBay. People are going to purchase this product on eBay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this exact same title on eBay, his title on eBay. I'm going to search for this product on Amazon now. I'm going to search for it, and I'm going to try to find the exact same product if I can do that. Okay, so this is the product. As you can see, it's the exact same product, and the price on Amazon is $26, but the price on eBay is $48. That just means it's dropshipping from Amazon. So because this product has 3 sales, yes, I am going to list this exact product on eBay. I really, guys, want you guys to focus on what I'm trying to say. This is the only strategy that works on eBay. If you don't do this, you will upload millions of products or import millions of products, and you will not get any sales. I really want you guys to do the exact same steps, because I know, guys, what I'm talking about. I have been doing this for 5 years, so I know exactly how dropshipping works. Of course, sometimes you don't get lucky. Sometimes it's going to take you some time to find a winning product. I would say, from my experience, it takes me 1 hour to find 10 products. Okay, 1 hour. And importing them to my eBay takes me another 1 hour. So I do everything manually. By the way, I don't like use any software or anything like that. I actually don't like softwares. I have tried them in the past, but they really my eBay like flags my account. I was doing some like $300 per day in sales, and since the moment I started using software, my sales went to $50 per day. I was crazy. That time I hated softwares. I stopped using them. Okay, so yes, this is now what the product you need to import, because like I said, it's a good profit margin. Like, you will make some money. I would say like $10, $12 profit, which is good. And this is exactly what you need. You just need to go to Amazon and download these images and start listing the product on your eBay. I assume that you already know, guys, how to list, because you are searching specifically for this title, how to like dropship from Amazon to eBay. That means you already have some experience. Now, don't only copy this product. You can also check his like other listings and search for them on Amazon and see if it has 3 sales. List these items too. Okay, you can copy the whole store. That's what I do. The moment I see a successful store, I just copy everything they do. Okay, that's exactly how I do dropshipping, guys. So yeah, I just need to upload that. Like I said, by the way, after you start listing, make sure you copy this title from eBay, not Amazon. Okay, make sure you copy this exact title Everything else you gonna copy it from AliExpress, including like images, description. You wanna copy it from Amazon. I'm sorry, I've been doing dropshipping from Amazon like every single day. That's why from AliExpress every single day. That's why I just say AliExpress a lot. Okay, so as you can see, you can copy the description from Amazon and you can start listing the product on eBay. Okay, I hope guys. By the way, like dropshipping from Amazon to eBay, the only disadvantage here is the Amazon adds the logo in the package, but it doesn't matter that people really care. I would say, like from my experience, I would say 3% are going to open a dispute against you and they will want their refund because they don't want to pay more, and the package says like the price in the package is lower than the price they paid for. So they paid for it on eBay. So yeah, that's the only thing I hate about Amazon is like the logo in the package. Okay, so if you want to dropship guys from AliExpress to eBay, I will add the video in the screen right now, which is the best way to dropship. Is like, I want you guys to dropship from AliExpress to eBay. It's very profitable. Profit margin is crazy, and also you will have no problem. Like the shipping time, they don't care. Customers don't care about shipping time from my experience. So yeah, if you want to do that, I will leave a video in the screen. Click on it right now and make sure you drop a like on this video. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.